but got a little more to go. Not too much, just a little. Well, I suppose first of all we gotta weld the nuts on, so let's get all this out of the way.
Look at that.
That'll work. Okay, we need 4 5/8 nuts to tack on there, and look at that, we got 4 right here. Perfect. We take these 4 and we're gonna tack them right on our holes that we had drilled by Ulysses. Just like that. Throw it on there and run a couple tacks on it. Yeah. Okay. Those are on there.
They can now. Oh. Why the heck? Whatever. So that's on there.
That's all tacked up. Yeah, we take it again. The nuts are all on. It's looking good. Perfect. Now, we take our adjustable legs and we take what I showed you guys earlier, what I cut out. These things. And
Which way did we go from? We go this way. Yeah, that makes more sense. Yeah. So, and then I just take my crusty ground, slide it in there, smooth it down. This is one of the most difficult ones. Okay, here's nothing.
you want to weld it side by like each side. Like if it's like a car when you're putting lug nuts on, you want to go from side to side. You don't want to go like right next to each other because when you weld one side, the metal pulls up, and then so you weld the other side, and then it pulls that side back down. If that makes sense.
So now this leg's done. Now it's this leg's turn. Slide our gun. Make sure it's somewhat on center. No, flip it so you put the other side down. Oh yeah, that's masterpiece. Excellent.
Okay. Legs are done. Now after that, we get these. They look like weapons, but they're actually just legs.
Yep. Now.
We're going to take our legs and up there, hole goes this way. Line them up like so, slide them in there. Hole goes this way. And now we'll we'll grab a, I believe it's 3/8, I think. Somewhere I got it, just like welded it together. Look at that. That guy's on. And swap gloves. Now, we just need our bolts. I'm gonna run and get those quick before we have to clean up.
I think they're about what I need. The one's in question, I might get a smaller one, but if I do, I'll just have to order it. Yeah, I might need a smaller one than 1 inch. I can't even get started.
Now we just tighten these in here.
I mean, 1 inch ounces, whatever.
And that's how you build a dock.
You got that done today?
I hate to say it, but I think we're missing something.
Yeah, I'm not sure if it's the boat or the top of the dock, but something's not here.
Or the water.
Yeah, I guess I forgot to look down. Well, we hope you guys had as much fun as we did making this. Make sure you like, subscribe, and come back soon.